Hey, what's up? This is Fred. I just wanted to bring a quick video to you guys. I've been doing a little case studies on my current client situation and going through everybody who has a auto loan. And I've noticed a trend that I wanted to kind of bring to your attention. And the trend is the annual percentage rate, or the percentage that you guys are paying on cars, have averaged over 16%, which is extremely high, and it's going to take you a long time to pay that car. But two, you're also paying a lot more than you should be. A lot of times people come to me and they say that they want to buy a car, however, they're just not doing the things in the proper order. They just go out and they purchase a car, they put a large down payment. And my goal for you guys with this video is just kind of try to drop a little nugget for you guys to help you understand the importance of what good credit will do for you. Now, being in the Bay Area, and I know a lot of places around the country, a lot of my client base, they have to deal with traffic, fighting traffic, getting to work every day. You know, they have at least a 45 minutes to an hour and a half drive each way, and they need a dependable car. And it's hard to go out and pay cash for a dependable car just because of the cost of cars nowadays. You need something that's reliable, something that's going to get you from point A to point B, that's not going to break down on you, where you're going to have a lot of cost to repair those issues. So what I'm saying to you guys today is get your guys' credit fixed before you buy a car, before going to the dealership and having them shotgun your credit report to the different lenders, because all they're trying to do is sell that loan off to a bank and get paid for the loan. They might get $700-800 depending upon the bank that buys it. You know, whoever is going to give them the most money, that's who they're going to sell it to. But based on who's paying more, there's an incentive for them to go ahead and raise up the interest rates. So it's very important that you guys go into buying a car when you guys' scores are at least 690 or better. At least 690 or better. Because we want to get you the best rates available. Our goal is to at least get you into the 700 club before you go trying to buy a car. That's the first thing. Second thing, we don't like you going to the dealership and having the dealership try to find you a loan. We want you to go find a loan on your own prior to going to the dealership, because it gives you leverage power. It gives you the power to leverage and negotiate on the pricing. And I talk about all these things in an upcoming course that I'm bringing out, how to leverage good credit. So if you guys are interested in learning more of what good credit can do for you, again, it's very important to know exactly what you're doing when you go buy a car. I've purchased over 20 cars in my life. I've purchased, in the last few years, I purchased 5 cars. Last year alone, I purchased 2. So I have a real good grasp in regards to buying cars, negotiating on cars, how to get the best price, how to haggle, if you will. Because there's certain orders you need to go about doing these things. And these orders will get you the best deal from what I've seen. I've always had a real good success rate negotiating. I've helped people go out and buy used cars and negotiate it for them to change the whole interior out. Where somebody would try to get a car and it had cloth interior, but they wanted leather, and it was a no deal if they couldn't get the leather. So I've had them change out and put leather seats in. There's a lot of things that you can do when you're negotiating. So I just wanted to bring this video to you. I know it's a little bit on the fly, but I wanted to bring it to you so you guys could just understand the importance of credit and how we can help get you those lower rates. Because 16+% interest, you're going to be spending probably in the neighborhood of $75 extra per month, when you can put that $75 somewhere else, maybe on your debt snowball, maybe into a retirement account. You know, just whatever the case is, we want to make sure that we're giving good information information that's going to work for you and your family. Because at the end of the day, we want the money to stay in your pockets rather than giving it to the banks and risking, losing things. What happens if you were to lose your job? God forbid you were to lose your job and just didn't have the income coming in. We want to make sure that we give you the best ideals that you can get in regards to getting the best possible rates, which means lower car payments. So with that being said, thank you for taking a few minutes out of your time, a few minutes out of your day. If you guys find this helpful, share it. Tag anybody you think might learn a thing or two. And if you guys are interested in this upcoming program I have in regards to leveraging good credit, comment below, and then we'll go ahead and get you entered into our system. So that way, when the program does actually roll out, you'll have first access at a discounted rate. So with that being said, again, thank you for watching the video. My name is Fred. Improve my score. You guys have a good day.